Class 2 English. Okay, let's start. So previous day we have done that poem. This poem we have done. So now we'll do next page. And please don't do anything before that is taught. Few of them have done this one. I didn't teach you, so before it is taught you will not do anything. So write the date. 8/5, sorry. 8/5. All of you write 8, 5 and 20. Now match the word with their meaning. Now we have to match the meanings with the word. Trick. Trick means something very cunning type of action, okay? Smart action. Match this one. A cunning action is trick. It's a plan. Trick. Up. Up will be high place. Up will be what? Towards a higher place. Up towards a higher place. Down towards a lower place, low place. Jump to move quickly off the ground. Jump means to jump up off the ground, move quickly off the ground. So all of you take your pencils and please do this one. Trick, a cunning action. Up towards a higher place, down towards a lower place, and jump to move quickly off the ground. Clear? Now make sentences with the following. Now you have to make sentences with the following. This one I will not do, I will tell you. You practice by yourself, okay? Jump over. You have to make sentence with what? Jump over. Jump over the fence. Okay? Jump over the fence. Jump up. Please jump up the ground. Please jump up the ground. Jump on. Please do not jump on the table. Please do not jump on the table. Jump out. You may jump out of the gate. You may jump out of the gate. Jumping up and down. We can play by jumping up and down. It's a few sentences. You can write your own sentences by yourself. Okay? It's very easy. You can do it. Over, jump over, jump up, jump on, jump out, jumping up and down. Anything you can write. Very simple sentence you write. Okay? Now next. Rewrite each sentences correctly. This is all jumble sentence mixed up, not proper sentence, not in a proper sense. So we will arrange it and make a proper sentence with a sensible sentence. Okay? Now see. Pets, cats are good. Is this a sentence? No, it's jumble. So we have to arrange it. What can we write? Cats are good pet. So take a pencil and write. Cats are good pets. Okay? Number 2. Different colors are of cats. Different colors are of cat. What can we write? We can write here. Cats are of different colors. Yes, right. Cats are of different colors. C-O-L-O-U-R-S, colors. Clear? Now, number 3. Lazy cat's pet are. What can you tell me? Lazy cat's pets are. What it can be? It can be cats are lazy pet. Yes. Now write it. Cats are lazy pet. Full stop. Okay. Now go to the next page. See. Number 4, 5, 6, 7 will be your homework. You will do this one by yourself. Okay. Child on sitting the is bench are. So what it will be? A child is sitting on the bench. Wakes up Rita 6 a.m. at. Rita wakes up at 6 a.m. Ratan is ball with playing a. Ratan is playing with a ball. Jumping the monkey were the on. The monkey, what it will be? Let's write. The monkey were on the, wait. Where the monkey jumping? The monkey were on the jumping monkey were on. Now this one you try by yourself. Jumping, the monkeys were the on. The monkeys were. This one you try by yourself. I can't. I'm trying it. It will take some time. This one you try by yourself. Okay. Now let's. Listening and speaking. Now listening and speaking. Now let us read and sing. Rabbits. Rabbits, rabbits, 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Camels, camels, 4, 5, 6. Why do you have a hump like this? Hump means the back. On the camel, you will see camel's back. It has a up. This is called, the camel's back is like this. This is the hump. On the camel back, there is a high place. Okay, it's raised up high like this. This is called the hump. Okay, at the back. Monkeys, monkeys, 7, 8, 9. Will you teach me how to climb? When I have counted up to 10, the elephants say, now start again. It's very nice time. Let's read once more. Rabbit, rabbit, 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Camel, camel, 4, 5, 6. Why do you have a hump like this? Monkeys, monkeys, 7, 8, 9. Will you teach me how to climb? When I have counted up to 10, the elephant says, now start again. Now let's turn the page. Okay. Complete the rhyming words. These are all rhyming words. Let's try now. Play, place. Listen. 9. Take a pencil and write. Fine. Me. Be. Say. Hey. Fall. Call. Down. Gown. Tree. Free. Joy. Toy. Stay. May. Big. Pig. Sack will be sack. Back, you can write back. Fear. Near. Car. FAR, far. Okay. Next you will do by yourself. 5, 6, 7 you will do by yourself. 5, 6, 7 you will do by yourself. Okay. Till 5, 4 I am telling you. So now il knit. Tin for sea, wood by zoo. This one you will do by yourself. Okay. This one you try by yourself. Okay. For today, this much. Now it's a request. Many of you are not doing your homework. This one will be your homework. This one will be your, basically this one will be your homework. Many of you are not doing your homework. So it's a request that please send your homeworks. It's a request to all the students, please send your homework. Okay. For today, this much. Thank you.